Now Mr. GPR is going to do the ceremony at per Sanatan Dharma. Erecting the foundation was done now, raising the pillar on a very solid foundation. You see the structure, how strong it is. Because the universal forces are with the honest people, the sincere people who want to really do some creativity for the service of the mankind. This is the great. Mr. GPR is doing some kind of worship. If you remember when we bought Rafale and all, then our defense minister was also doing some kind of ceremonial puja. So today we have the honor to have our Honourable GPR Sir, and who is doing that ceremony. With the blessings of the universal forces, only we can do great work. That is the theme of our success story. Mr. Akbar and Mr. GPR, both friends for last 40 years, dedicated and committed to the service of the people of Telangana state. Thank you, Honourable Sir, GPR Sir, coming and doing this raising of the pillar ceremony. They feel very proud and very obliged to you. Thank you, Honourable Sir. Thank you. He is Mr. Lakshman, manager for this project.
Will you come inside?
Yeah, coming. Thank you very much. Thank you. नहीं ठीक है, हम यही खुश हैं।
मैं वीडियो नहीं कर सकता।